Hello, hello. Welcome to my broadcast, the broadcast of Fenrir. That's me. Um, Today, as usual, we are not prepared. We don't know what we're gonna do. We know a bit of what we're gonna do, but we're not prepared at all. We don't know what we're gonna do. Anyway, welcome everyone. Um, the stream started a little bit late because I was passionately reading manhwa, and it was very absorbing. And when I woke up from this trance, I was like, "Oh shit! It's already 8:45. It's time to stream, boy." And then I went on stream. Yeah. What the hell are you talking about? Passionately, no, no. I don't make love to books. I wonder if there's something like if there's actual a name for that. Like I know there's a name like mechanophilia for people who likes to fuck cars, but is there a, like something of the same type but for books? I'm curious. Yes, very very demure. So yeah, since last time we I updated the interface. So now when you say Joel, right, Neptunes, check out this. We got the Joel in the water. Bibliophilia. Oh god. That makes sense. But it sounds too much like the Bible. So here's the thing. I'm gonna give in on the secret. If you say multiple Joels in one message, the Joel gets bigger. And I include Evil Joel, by the way. You saw him spawn behind me. This was, as usual, done in Godot. The whole interface, besides the chat and the music, has been done in Godot. So today, like, right, this is the today, the docket. We need to fix the Joel bot somehow. I don't know why. It it doesn't work as it should, right? Like I started, it joins the channel and everything, and when it leaves the channel, after some time, it's like if it was like disconnecting from the Twitch API or something, and it just doesn't do anything, which is weird. So we're gonna take a look at that. And oh, the big Joel. It's like a whale at this point. So yeah, we're gonna take a look at that. So this is not the Joel bot. This is it. Okay, so it's found the max lol. There's no max. I'm just telling you like that. There's no max. You could fill my entire screen with the one Joel. Then max it till no show. What do you mean? Max, the last one did not spawn the Joel. Yes, it did. I saw it. I'm pretty sure it spawned. Look, I'm gonna do it. I'm currently copying a whole lot of Joel's. Like, it's big. It worked. Maybe I can't read because this is oh, maybe I'm blind. Another test. Yeah, yeah, right. So yeah, it just doesn't join the channels when they go live. So my assumption is that with the event sub system with Twitch, after some time, they reset the the subscription you do if nothing happens, right? It doesn't close the socket because my application, like the Joel bot, would just crash or would reconnect, right? And just get all the subs again. So now I am gonna look. We're gonna take a look at the API, I guess. Am I crazy? I wasn't looking. Not gonna lie. So I couldn't tell you if you are crazy or not. But the little ones work. Yeah, you like the water? So you weren't there. Maybe you were there. So it's water, like it's not like physics like I simulate every particle of water kind of thing. It's actually a lot of springs. They are springs. And they're just like linked by a line that is smoothed, and then there's a polygon under it. And each spring like influence their next neighbor. It's really cool. Event sub and handling event sub. Let's duplicate event. Yeah, we don't care. That's please make me love the TV man. That's me. I am the TV man. Did I ever show you the commands? Right? There's you can change my color like this. Oh fuck, I didn't. What the hell? That's not supposed to happen. What the hell happened? Wait, this is okay. I don't get it. Why it did that? Right, dumb. I am dumb. I don't know why that happened. You can change the color. Did I? Yeah, rainbow dumb. You did rainbow again. Yeah. Okay. Huh. Rainbow. I see. Okay. We are gonna do that first then. We're gonna... Can you please stop doing rainbow? I'm gonna just remove myself. Yeah, it's a command I have in my terminal. But it shouldn't do it like that. Okay, so here it's in the bus, right? Three Twitch commands. It's Joel like this. And you can specify a name after the Joel count to know. You can actually do Joel commands like this to know all the commands. It's yeah, I should do like all to lowercase or something. You have to be the exact syntax with the major letters too. Starting on off. Joule count? Okay, let's start Godot. Godot. No. You're gonna get it someday. So Godot. Godot. Here's script. What the hell? Okay, so this is weird. We're gonna go back here. The dumb didn't work. Everything's broken. Oh no. Why is this starting on off? Am I dumb? Dumb on off. No. Starting on off. Okay. Okay, you removed it. So I don't know why that's here, but it shouldn't. So it's supposed to be rainbow on off, but it's not. So it's exclamation color, then it's not yeah, okay, nothing works. I think something crashed. Oh, okay, I see. It crashed. Something crashed. That's why color match. Ooh, Okay, so this crashed. Oh my god, everything is crashing. Okay, wait. One thing at a time. Okay, so if color is not nil, just go like this. We're solving. It's not gonna work anyway, because everything is crashed. Wait a minute. Okay. This should work now. We just gonna show you. Wait, terminal. Right. So this is the terminal. So as you can see, everything crashed here. When it was matching the color. So that's something crashed it. Not it's not gonna work. I'm telling you. So I have to restart it. Let me do this. Yeah, give me a second. Okay, so now it should work. Oh, let me do this, this, this. Here we are. Right, we are back. Yeah, go for it. Why is it flashing? Why am I flashing? Why am I flashing? Oh. Oh. It didn't like it. Okay, we're gonna... Like this. Hello, okay. Joel? Joel is there. Rainbow. Dumb. Collar. There we go. We're back. We're back. We're so back. So the rainbow disables itself after some time. It's working. Okay, did we have any other like commands that could like not work? Does this work? Okay, this works. Okay. I think we're back on track. Okay, I think we could say that. You mean the dam? No, it's I don't think so. Maybe the rainbow? No, it's not. No, it's the same thing. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. Maybe it's your eyes again. Did you think about it? Is it your eyes again? No, I'm pretty sure it's my face tracking that's just janky. It's no, it 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 is okay. I don't see anything at least. Like it seems pretty fluid to me. So, back to the Joel. Yeah, right. Where were we? Web zone. There's the that's Twitch. Twitch. Okay, so managing subscription, handling duplicate events, guarding against replay attack. Okay, managing subscription. Okay, subscribe to events, use the create event sub endpoint. The object and request type, version, transport, yeah. Authorization, get the list of event you subscribe to. Okay. This is interesting. So what I could do is like each I don't know which 30 minutes I could check if I am missing a permission. I could re-ask for it kind of thing. So let's keep it in a separate like tab and keep looking. Matting out an oil processing plant? What the hell? Didn't you work in a factory or a warehouse? What's up with the oil? Oh yeah, the 1.0 update. I thought that you would be streaming it, but yeah, the 1.0 got out this week. Oh god. Hmm. Is it good? Did you get to the new content yet? Yeah, right. It's hard to think for a long time on stream. Look at me just programming for like 4 hours straight, and then there's people just programming for 9 hours straight. Crazy. Filtering the list by status. Yeah, deleting a subscription. Subscription limits. Okay, let's see this. Events uses a cost-based system for subscription limits. Include following fields. Okay, the maximum number of constraint grows as a user tries your application. Here's how that works. Type and condition values. Wait. It's very satisfactory. It's a good one. Oh, we got a new keyboard. What did you get? What's the keyboard situation looking like? I should say, but not regarded users reference your application. Example, sure. Cost 1. Shall update, no auto-correctment. Shall share, cost 0. Connecting using each website connection may create. The max total cost is 10 across all subscription. But Corsair K70, that's a normal keyboard, I would say. Pretty normal. What switch did you get? So you bought a new keyboard, but is it because the old one broke or something? I'm I'm more with the ergonomics now. I'm having I have I'm using the ergonomic kind of keyboard. Yeah, right. The new one is ass, but you need to update. Hey. Yeah, I'm running the Siarca KBD. That's what I'm rocking. Look at this beauty. Ooh, sexy. I'm not a keyboard loving guy. Like I relating to the book at the beginning. Yeah, that's fancy. I just built another one for my friend last week, actually. I know I converted 2 of my friends to this keyboard. It's really cool. Because I can like with this type of keyboard you can like fully configure it how you like because you actually upload yourself the software on the keyboard. Yet it takes a while. Yes, because it's it has a different stagger, right? So it on a normal keyboard the keys aren't aligned. And also you have the thumb keys, which are called the thumb clusters. And it's really smart, right? Because on a normal keyboard, you use your pinky, like the most shitty fingers in the world, to do Shift, Control, Windows, Tab. It's dumb, and so you move all of those to the thumb keys. So it's a much more, a lot more comfortable. Also, there's things called layers. So for example, this is like a QWERTY keyboard, but if I like press this key, for example, this whole keyboard can become like all signs, or this half can become a number pad or something. It's really customizable. It's pretty cool. I really like it. So you swap for typing this gaming. So actually, let me show it to you. Can we add window capture? And this is going to be this. Thank you. Like this. And maybe move it lower. Like this. So this is a software I use to program it, if you will. So they are obviously separated, split on in the real world, but this is how it looks. So this is the base layer, right? So I have the QWERTY layout. And if I press, for example, this one, I get to layer 1, which are here I have like all my macros and the numpad. If I unpress it and I press on the right one here, it becomes all my symbols and my arrow keys. If I press both of those thumbs at the same time, it becomes my function things and other like caps lock, print screen, etc. And if I do both of these thumbs, and then I press this little button in the top right corner, this is where the magic happens. It changes my default layer, and so, guess what happens? Gaming layer. Ooh, gaming layer. So I move back the shift here because it's much more natural. Like, I've been typing on a normal keyboard all my life still. I move back the space here. I keep the arrows here, but if I press this again, like this button here, this becomes again the basic layer. So I use it for gaming, but I don't change the configuration each time. I don't have to. So we discovered that we have a limited amount of stream online and stream offline subscription, and that's why it sometimes it doesn't work. Yeah, like, there's other versions like the Lily 58, which is basically the same thing as me, but with another row on the top and two more buttons here and here. But it's too big. Like the keyboard I'm using right now, I use it as school too, so it has to be like portable. It has to fit in my backpack pretty easily. So this one would be too big. But this one is cool because you can also change this button for an encoder, like to change volume or for doing editing or something. So this is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool one. Use yeah, okay, use the numbers for the yeah, I see. Yeah. So the only moment where I miss the actual numbers at the top is when I'm gaming. That's the only time when I'm missing. I'm like, oh, I wish I had those. Because in like FPS games, to change weapons, it's always the number. Or you could use the wheel on the mouse, but that's not accurate. So yeah, my solution is binding the change weapon to a button of my on my mouse. But any other time than gaming on an FPS title, the 42 keys that I have is enough. It's a 40% keyboard. This is more like I don't know, 50. So 42, 45. Then I don't want to count. Anyway, yeah. It's I like it. Some people don't like it. I entirely understand. It's it it's hard to get yourself used to it. Yeah, who needs math and counting? I just don't want to do it. I began counting the keys and I was like, why am I doing this? So I stopped just there. Okay, so a limit of 3 subscription with the same type and condition. What is type and condition? Right, so let's go back to here. We got a new cooling. That's cool. What kind of CPU do you have? And what kind of cooling did you have? Do you have like a ITX or just a small form factor kind of thing? Subscribe to event which condition? Oh, I see. Um, so limit of 3 subscription with the same type and condition values. So the type is okay. I can have a maximum of 3 people who I Stream online and offline. That's kind of ass if you're following me. I see, I see. The cooling was hard to fit. Rush online, blah, 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 blah. I see. I see, I understand. But I have an open case and I like the size. Is it that bad? Like, how can it be that bad? Like, I see a lot of like ITX cases which are like basically just components packed on top of each other and they seem to be cooling fine. There's small statue. A small statue. You have a statue in your PC. You have a max of 4 fans and no water cooling system. Yeah, but if you get like an actually good cooling setup, like contact with, I mean, 4 fans. What do I have right now? I have 4 fans. I mean, I guess my PC is bigger, but it's 4 fans plus the cooling on the CPU, which has 1 fan. Hot room, no AC. Open the windows. Oh, right, you live in California. It's hot. Yeah, I guess. It's, I mean, I don't know what to tell you. It's move in the north, put your PC outside, and there you go, cooling resolved. Just live in the Arctic. Won't have any cooling problems. One rear and one. Yeah. It's been getting like back. So like 2 weeks ago, it was like cold. Like it was starting to get cold, and like until 3 days ago, it was like starting to become really cold. Like I got the hoodies out, and just today, just suddenly, it's 30 outside, 30 degrees Celsius, and I was like, what the fuck? And I just looked at the like weather app, and it says, oh, it's gonna be hot for 2 weeks still. I'm like, what the hell? It was getting cold, but now it's just hot. Damn, 40,000 acres. What's going on over there? God. I mean, we had big fires last last year. Damn, it was already last year. Yeah, last year we had pretty big fires over here last year, but we never had 40. Like, it's not usual. Yeah, heartquakes. I would guess if you live near the Pacific. Fire causing thunderstorm, crazy stuff. Yeah, it's hard. I wouldn't live there. I'm great where I am. So, concerning this, but yeah, you don't want to live there, but you want to stay because of the family, right? You told me. It's a choice. You have to do choices in life, like my parents say. The choice. Um, but yeah, concerning this, like I said, this is a bummer, I would say, because I'm currently wishing I wish to track all these channels. So 6 channels. Crazy Kitty, welcome here. The Joel. The Joel. Look, it's the Joel in the pool, the Joel pool. Yay! But yeah, I was talking with my friend Neptunes, and the Joel bot seems fucked. It's fucked, right? Because if we look at the Twitch API, it says here there's a limit of 3 subscription with the same type and condition values, which means I can't use the stream online and stream offline subscription for all the channels. Bummer. Real bummer. So there's 2 ways to fix this. One, we go back to the old Joel the old Joel bot. Right. Oh no, it's not working anymore. So yeah, or we go back to this shit, or we change the whole Joel scan, the Joel bot, so it doesn't use the stream online and stream offline anymore, but it uses the same method as before, which is checking each like 2 minutes if there's a new channel online. So that's a real big bummer. Like I was like keeping the bot up, but sometimes it would just like not enter the chat of people, and I was, huh? Why is it doing that? And just like earlier, you see it didn't join Klonk's channel right away, and I had to join it manually while I was at school. So this is bad. How has been your week, Quizzicity? I haven't heard of you in a week or so, I think. How was your week? Is Arc still going good? Nice. Nice, 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 nice. So, it's a shame. It's a shame. Like I could literally use this if I didn't have the limitations. Maybe if we read more, there's a way to like go around this. So the maximum number of subscription you can create grows as user tries your application. There is no cost for subscription that require a user tries. Okay, so this does not concern it because it's stream online, stream offline, and read chat, which doesn't need any application authorization. There's a cost for subscription that requires you to specify a user, but does not require that user tries your application. Right, there's a cost for it. However, there's no cost if that user authorized your application. You have an OAuth scope for that user. My baby, I lost my darling, I lost my friends, I lost my mind. So that would require me to have everyone on the list OAuth the my bot, right? Which is not ideal, I would say. But how would this work? Is it like a something just the authorize my bot to certain permission, or is it something like they have to connect to my bot or something? You have a OAuth scope, so Twitch API. Um, Twitch starting poll. Mostly want to redo overlay again. Yeah, yeah, the overlay. You were going for the Wii look. No, you changed the PlayStation, right? Making a new model. It's probably, yeah, the new model. It's probably going to work exactly like how the mascot worked. Game Boy ROM for your visuals for voice distinction. It's probably okay. So a lot like the other one. So like a normal VTuber, I would say, and Game Boy ROM for visuals. So when you say Game Boy ROM for visuals, is it like the visuals are done in literally in a Game Boy ROM, or is it gonna look like a Game Boy ROM? And Godot for voice detection, does it mean that the mascot is still gonna be in Godot? And it's gonna use the mic, a bit like me? Ah, baby. Twitch API, no. Okay, so, oh my god. Wait, so the overlay is gonna be done in Game Boy ROM, right? Um, how is so is the overlay gonna be like interactive and stuff? Because if yes, how can you control uh a Game Boy ROM from the outside, right? Is can you use I don't know, a TCP port or something? How does it work? So Twitch API uses OAuth2 or access token to access routes. If you're not already familiar with the specification, reading may there's a Godot plugin that adds a Game Boy emulator to Godot. Oh, wait, Godot plugin that adds Game Boy emulator to Godot. So do you still have all the nodes of a Godot Game Plus like Game Boy support? Doesn't seem like that's it. RetroPie is not. I said GB Studio. There's a Godot plugin. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, I see. Yeah, so that's what you were using until now. But now you're gonna have also something inside Godot that emulates Game Boy too. That's pretty cool. This website is cool too. So back to the shitty user access token thing. So I found a plugin. You did. Godot by... Okay. Allows you to load RAMs for everyone's favorite 80s portable game console as well. Okay, so it's like if you want to have a Godot, no, a Game Boy game inside your Godot game, basically, or something of this type of thing. The simple is most minimal example I could give. That's really cool. I'm hyped about what you're gonna do. I really wanna see. I wanna see. Yee. This is exciting. It's really cool, honestly. So, how are we gonna do this? Um, let's go open this one and go back to carding. No. Uh, managing subscription. Okay. So it says it needs deleting subscription limits. It needs you have an OAuth scope of that user. So what is an OAuth scope? I forgot. I had to. What scope of that for that user? So I guess it would need them to authorize me to do something. Right. But this something, however, there's no cost. So I wonder if this limit of 3 subscription still holds up when the person um authorizes it. What scope required cost 0. Channel cheer bits read. What scope required. Does not require there's a cost for subscription that require you to specify your user, but that does not require that user to authorize your application. So stream online, right? However, there is no cost if that user has authorized your application. Okay, so if we go to Twitch developer dashboard, and so this is the Joel. Um, thank you, Neptunes, for messaging and coming in and coming in. What? Oh, what? And yeah, have a good stream, and yeah, maybe I'll come later. What? Come? Huh? Yeah, we should play the RG or something someday when some occasion appears that we can play. Yeah, I would come for you, Neptunes, if you want. Anyway, let's forget this. So this is an application. Sweet. Thank you. Goodbye. So OAuth scope. Wait, so how does it work again? Let's close this. And I have functions for this. Get access. How does it work? Switch out device. And then this asks me, okay. It asks me to go to the page to authorize, which we can see uh over here, like this. But this manage your channel polls, get okay, yeah. So it's a general displays user to get the permission. Okay. Hmm. Created less than a day ago, not owned or operated by Twitch. Get details, okay. But now I'm curious because when I do the execute this, right? It does this request, which gives me a device code, right? And I go to the website. But when I open the website, it like says all the permission I'm giving, which are all of these, which I'm asking after. So what's going on there? But also, Twitch response what headers content type. So this is body client ID. Oh, I put the link over there. That's so convenient. Thank you myself from the past. Device code GreenFlow. This flow is designed for applications which do not use a server and are located on a single device. Such. Why did I do that? Authorization code. Client credentials. Yeah, no. Listen, GreenFlow. So now I'm wondering if yeah, this is with your device. This is what I'm doing. Okay, device code allows for public or confidential client types. The major differences between a public and a confidential client type is that public events do not need to contain a client secret, can refresh an access token without passing a client secret. So the ideal thing would be to, because if it's the same thing as me, once you authorize the token, right? If I get it back, I have to refresh it. But I think that requires for me to have refresh Twitch access, find ID, current secrets, or maybe not, because this is the bot. This is the bot. Um, hmm. Public starting. Yeah. Uh, Test application. Okay, so basically, it does. It would send me. Wait, how? Going back to the Joel scan. So wait, get shown. Yeah, we don't care. Um, Device code. Okay, I see. So the person, so let's say Jake, right? Jake would have to go to the address generated by this. Okay. So when oh god, this is so complicated. So when I start the application, I would get a, like a code, right? A device code. And then I go, it would give me a URL. And when I would need to give this URL to each of the streamers and they have to authorize it, uh, and then I have to press enter. Which is dumb, dumb. Because if it crashes, I have to ask everyone again for the token. So this is not something we can do. So yeah, this is, you know what's gonna happen? We're gonna switch to the shitty version of this. Let's do a troll scan v3. v3.rb. Thank you. Okay. Let's go over it. Command channels, join channel subscription. So I don't need this anymore. I need just join channels. So now this is going to be an array of strings of the name of the guys. So get access, still the same thing. Refresh access to the same thing. This is the same thing. Unsubscribe, still the same thing. Okay, send Twitch message, still the same thing. Get live channels, still the same thing. Get Twitch users, still the same thing. Still the same thing. Still the same thing. Still the same thing. Read commands. Okay. Thread start. Okay. So this is each 2 minutes. So this is gonna be the where I'm gonna look for new streams starting. Refresh Twitch access. Oh yeah. Okay. I see. Okay. Oh, okay. So this is, yeah, each 2 minutes. Okay, I see. Then we start this Twitch session ID. Right. Follow channel. We don't need this anymore because we can't do it. So I get all the live channels. Okay, subscribe to event sub. Yeah, okay. Join channels. I get channel. So I guess this is get live. Okay, so this is a stream, right? And then the subscription ID. This is pretty much what I want. This is good. Reconnect false. Uh, yeah, session reconnect. Notification. Stream online, stream offline. We don't need this. So only chat message, close. Yeah, still the same thing. Okay. So this is gonna be pretty quick. I'm just noticing that right now. So here I'm gonna go back here to in the first one to take a little something called this. Begin and like this. I'm gonna take that. Yikes. Okay. So this is update tracked channels, right? And it's gonna be in the here, I guess. Right after here. So let's see this. So live channels. Okay, this is not in the right indentation. So some of these things are wrong. So live channels, yeah. Send notif, yeah. Channels. Okay, so what is channels? Live channels. Okay, so this is followed channels, right? So each channel, if live channel include channel and join a channel. So, okay. I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay. So this is join, okay. Second pause, okay. Can delete all of these. But left, yeah. This is the dollar sign. So, uh, if it includes the channel. So actually, I need to get something back from here. When session welcome, session reconnect, notify stream offline. So online, join. I see. Okay, this is not gonna help. So basically join channel contains the channel name and the subscription ID. And so live channels is gonna be okay. So since live channels is an array of strings. But join channels include channel won't work because it's a dictionary. But I can't do this. This doesn't work. It won't work. Will this work? It's terminal time. You don't see shit when I do that. Just okay. What was this? IRB. So, let's actually copy this. Okay, so join channels. So let's see. Channel 1 is equal to channel 2 points me and then subscription ID do tool like this, and channel 2 is equal to channel u sub ID 15 this channels and there we go. Okay. So channel include me. Right. So it doesn't work. we know it doesn't work. So let's get back here. So I need to joined channels name to join channel map. Something of this type. Let's try it in the console, which is dead. So what channels append, channel map, channels everywhere. Why is it nil? E channel 1. Okay. Oh, I see. Which channel like this. Then if I do this and I change it for this, yeah, it still doesn't work. But if I do this, me and you. Okay, we got there. Got there. Okay, so joined channel name. Like this. And like this. Okay. Include channel. And there we go. Okay. So then if it's not subscribed, it's it's gonna send the notif at the end, because if it crashes while we do it, I don't want to get the notification. So begin, no, just bucket, we go raw, no begin, no rescue. Okay, something of this kind. So subscribe data, subscribe to image, Twitch sub, channel, Twitch session ID, yeah. Channel chat message. Is this available everywhere? Where is it stored? Session welcome. Yeah, Twitch session ID. Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, it's declared there. Okay, and then channel chat message version 1, and then channel use data. Okay, so this is gonna give me the subscribe data. So then we do this. Join channel, subscribe ID, this. Okay, this is pretty straightforward. Um, okay, send notif, and then also, wait, when I join, yeah, Robot has entered the chat. Like this. So that's pretty much it. I subscribe to the event. I save the channel name with the subscription ID of reading the channel. I send in the channel a thing saying I'm there, and I send a notification to my phone saying you are there. So next one. I see. Subscription ID. Joined channel, find channel. Okay, so find channel channel data, where channel data is channel, yeah, subscription ID. Okay, I see. So this is, we're gonna do this differently. This is gonna give me a leaving channel, right? And then something of this nature, unsubscribe, and I give him the subscription ID. Then I delete the leaving channel, and something of this sort. I can't get over crying over you. Friends all over out there crying. Nobody's trying. Friends all over, no one trying. Okay, this looks good. So how about we restart this live? We're gonna advise people in advance, right? Let's go to the zone where the people are. Trying. Okay, let's stop the music for a while so I can think. So warning, Joelbot in repair mode. uh Turing message may appear multiple time. Sorry. Okay, okay, so it was subscribed just, okay, so it was in all the channels. So this is V3. That is so good. Okay. Nil. What sent nil? Okay. Okay. This seems to be working. Uh, okay, so this seems to be working. I'm just gonna mute those guys. So let's get the music back on. Big party. Okay. Uh, Joel Bus is into chat. Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna actually see if it crashes in 2 minutes or in when someone stops their streams, I guess. So we'll leave that running. So this was the first objective for today. Today. Okay, so let's hide this, show this, and pull this up. So we fixed the Joelbot, I think. So talk about the keyboard. This was done previously before fixing the Joelbot. So now, what the hell do we do? Right? Like I said at the start, I don't know what to do after that. So if I have the list, right? The list is a list of things I can't do. Some things I don't want to do, some things I don't have the time, some things I'm like really not prepared. So let's go through it. So maybe we can find inspiration. So this redeem our command to create a fake Steam success. So this is something a bit like the headlines of Clone, but it doesn't generate any AI thing. It's just you can make a like an announcement on a broadcast actually. Um, I don't think I will do this today. This could be like a thing one stream. I feel like it could just take one, like even less than an hour to do. Um, web page redirected to my avatar Clonk style. So this I discovered it's nothing invented by Clonk. It's actually just video Ninja. I can remove it. Also add drawings to avatar mesh sprite for personality. So presently my avatar is it's gray. It's a gray box, right? It's a sprite, so I could add some drawings to the TV, but I'm not good at drawings, so that's not gonna be for today. Maybe never, we don't know. Maybe for a makeover in like a year or something. For another stream, maybe next week, I want to start playing with this thing Taimichi showed me, which is sonicpie.net. It's I don't want you to open there. So it's a way to make beats and music like a synth, but in Ruby. And we could use this to do some pretty cool thing if we automate it. Ouch, my ears. So yeah, this probably next week because I still don't know, or maybe homework next week. We never know. Um, Also, I'm not beginning that tonight. It's adding the Twitch chat to the Discord chat, exactly like Prod. But I would need to start the Discord API tonight, and no way I'm doing this. Finish synth. This the reason why I don't want to do it tonight is this. Too lazy, and it's I have to have a like to get a camera set up so you don't like you see what I'm doing and stuff. So not tonight. Discord bot still with the API thing, not tonight. This we could do. We could work on that. It's a chat app in the kind of messenger that I started working on a bit ago. So maybe we could start working on that more. This we don't care. Just remove it actually. A chat-based game. So we got the Joels done, right? Last stream. So maybe we could do some kind of fishing game. And so right, I have the counter on my website, but you could also have some special Joels, right? So maybe if you say like there's a 0.1% chance of a special Joel appearing and you get a sucks like an achievement and it shows on a special page on my website kind of thing. So we could do that too. Those two are like probably what we're gonna do today. We don't know. Make a game Sunday. This is a thing. I actually have to make a game for school this semester, so we're gonna work on that at some point. And the team, not the team, the team, like the team is toast for some fucking reason. It's toast. So I had an idea. It's gonna be a toast curling. So the toast is gonna have physics, right? And it's gonna glide on butter to the center of the place where you need to put the rock, but it's gonna be a toast. Anyway, not tonight too. Also, I need to redo the website so it looks actually good. Right? I know my website doesn't work on mobile app, like on mobile in general. So I have to fix that. So maybe someday we will redo the whole website. Funny shaders. We could do that tonight too. This is pretty easy. I just have to get shaders on the shaders website of Godot. and that's it. And then we come to the big projects, like the really big projects. Got two of them. Got the big idea. So the what I imagined is I track every green channel on the green circle. I just discovered I can do it actually. So maybe this idea is not gonna work. No, actually I it could. Because I'm not like reading the chat. I'm just checking if people are in the channel. So right now I'm if we leave this exit and we go on the server and we go in the database, use stream, and we show no select from points. We can see we're actually people are actually gaining points right now currently. So we could do something like this, but for the whole green zone. And somehow, some way, like you could use this would be like a general currency. And it could be used to do many things. It could be used by streamers in the way they want. Right? So it could be a card game where you buy cards or packs with points you get from listening to Green Zone guys. Right? So it could be like a card game, which you can unlock things based on how much time you put in listening to the Green Zone. And then, yeah, you could do a deck building thing and combats and tournaments and oh, who's the streamer with the best viewers, who has the best cards or stuff, right? Could be something of this type. It's really exciting, but maybe someday I would have to like ask other people what they think about it. Like, is it something that they would be interested in and stuff, right? Before doing the whole thing. But anyway, the second big idea is the radar. The radar, like the wordplay there. So I noticed that sometimes, oh, I wanna rate this guy. Oh, but he's already rating. So then, oh, who do I rate? So this is what the radar would be useful for. When you are gonna stream soon, or you're gonna end stream soon, if you're a streamer, you send the info to the website, and it tells it's like a database kind of thing. So when you want to raid, you just go on there, and if you see, oh, I wanted to raid this guy, but he goes live in 10 minutes, I can wait or do something for 10 minutes and then raid him when the stream starts. And same thing when they're about to leave. If you see, oh, they're gonna end stream in like 15 minutes, we can raid someone else, you know? So this is the idea behind radar. Right. I actually the radar would be harder to do than the big idea, I think. Not gonna lie, because I would have to do some kind of visual interface for the streamers. And I'm bad with visual interfaces. I'm gonna tell you guys already, it's not gonna be a long stream. I don't think so, at least. So let's check back on the Joelbot. Is it still going? It is still going. As you can see here, it is still going. So this is nice. Nice, 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 nice. So we said chat-based game, I don't know, or Finnish chat app link it to Discord and Twitch. I'd say those are the two things we could do. Oh, we're with the funny shaders. So Finnish chat app links. Chat-based game, I don't know. Troll fishing game, kind of like depending on the game, once a stream, different rarity. Let's start with the funny shaders, right? My hand. In other words, baby, kiss me. Okay. So shaders, where are they? So do I apply the shader is gonna be applied only to my face. This is what I have decided right now. In a door. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. So go at shaders. We don't have to do it ourselves. So first, ASCII shader, I have to. All shaders, sort by most liked. God raise. So maybe pixel art. PS1 shader, energy beams. What does this look like? Not interested. 2D perspective. For all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, let's copy this. So, this is I'm gonna script the change of shaders, I think. Face.gd. Where's face.gd? This is what? Shader face, but what? Why does it have the script icon? Yeah, right. Face process get available point TV list at child. Okay. Parts XYZ. Okay, I don't get it. Face.gd, okay. Shitter face GD. What the hell is this? Scripts? Face GD shader. Okay, I get it. It's this one. Okay. So yeah, we're gonna change it. Hmm. Where are we gonna change it? It's gonna be in. Huh. And so much more than ever before. Maybe it could be like just something I change when I want to, and not like controlled by chat. Let's start by making more scripts. New shader. It's gonna be in scripts. And it's gonna be called ask. There's already one. Lila. Okay. So now we copy this, I guess. Copy the thing. Right, it didn't work. Obviously. Why? Fragment, pixel size. The old way. Okay, why? This just doesn't work. Okay, let's go back here and look for another. Wait, that's not the pixel art, the ASCII shader. That's the one. Wait, ASCII shader. Engine 4.3, yeah. Can it be a 2D thing? This one is for a spatial, but it can this work? Next pass, okay, char size, ASCII text. Okay, I think we're gonna forget it for tonight because it seems like a mess. Looks shitty as fuck, as they say. So what are we gonna do? Make a game someday. Yeah, I know. Chat base. So hot in here. Finish chat app link to Discord and Twitch. Remove yeah. The lab blend. Saskatchewan. Troll fishing game, kind of like the banana game. We're gonna. Oh god. Big idea. The radar. Redo website. Make a game someday. Wait. I think we're gonna. I don't know. Do we start a big idea? I kind of don't want to do the other things. Judgment is due. Okay, earn like Twitch points. Some kind of gotcha. Okay. Okay, so here's the plan. I plan on doing. Uh, what the hell? Okay. The plan is, follow me on this. We make the point thing, the point part of the big idea today, and after that, gaming. Seems not so great, but let's do it. I've never done gaming on this channel, so let's do it. After that, gaming. So we're gonna start a new folder. It's gonna we call it green points. No, the green system. The green sys. We have to. It has to be green, but green what? It's it's a system, but it's also a network. So the I think network is good. I mean, but networks sort of means more like a network app, like a Facebook, which is not what this is going to be. So the green system. Let's call it the green system. Okay. What does it contain? Um, Sur quelques occasions de la gloire, c'est bien que miséreux. Avec le ventre creux, les essions y croient, quinquant quelques bistrots, contre bon repas chaud, le paillet d'une toile, nous récitions les vers, autour du poêle en oubliant l'hiver. La bohème, la bohème, ça veut dire on est joli. La bohème, la bohème, c'est nous avions du génie. Souvent il m'arrivait, devant mon chevalet, de passer d'une nuit blanche, retouchant le dessin de la ligne d'un sein du galbe les hanches, et ce n'est qu'au matin qu'on s'essayait enfin devant un café crème, et puis s'aimer la vie, que l'on s'aime et qu'on aime la vie. La bohème, aime, ça voulait dire on a 20 ans. La bohème, la bohème, et nous avions de l'air du temps. Okay, require... On s'adresse, je ne reconnais plus ni les murs, ni les rues qui ont vu ma jeunesse en haut d'un escalier. Un châtelier dont plus rien ne subsiste dans son nouveau décor. Se présent triste, l'île et là sont morts. La bohème, la bohème, les jeunes, on était fous. La bohème, la bohème, ça ne veut plus rien dire du tout. Okay, don't need that, don't need that. Get switch user. Okay, what are we gonna need for this? Just closing all of these. So clean. Okay. So I'm also gonna open the it's also in the bus. Update points. Broadcaster ID. Shadows. Okay. Def. Get. Um. Channel. Shadows. And yeah, channel name. No, so it's gonna be channel ID. I don't care. Okay. Response. This is gonna be channel ID. Okay, do I need the moderator ID to get the chatters? Um, get chatters. Required, yes, the ID of the broadcaster or one of the broadcaster's administrator. This is really do requires a user access token, Declan. Huh. This is jeopardizing the whole plan. This ID must match the user ID in the user access token. Huh. There's no way of knowing. Wait, I'm Twitch. Get viewers. Yeah, I know. Okay. Hmm. Moderator ID. Yeah. First, a number of items to return per page in the response. The cursor used to get the next page result. Okay, are we sure I actually need the moderator? This seems dumb. Um, if we go, Twitch class, get viewer. Wait, CLI, go to test menu, go to menu, Twitch menu, get viewers. Get viewers, get viewers. Okay, I see. To the username. Wait, channel follows, get viewers. Okay, name chomp if yeah, like this and no else. Console, sleep, Twitch menu, and so name here, then Twitch class, get Get channel, get viewers, channel name, channel ID, like this. Okay. So if we try this, get viewers, Jake creates stuff. Right, it works. I don't need to. Oh, but I'm administrator on this channel. I'm dumb. Oh, I'm dumb. LCO. Long. Oh God. The whole thing the whole thing won't work unless I'm moderated by every channel in the green zone. So dumb. It's crazy because I can actually see who's online just by pressing a button in the chat, like as a normal user. So, each of the streamers who wants to participate in would have to but okay, so if I want this to work, each of the channel would have to run a script, basically. Like Jake would have to run a script, Clonk would have to run a script, Rod would have to run a script. So this won't work. So fuck this. We're gonna do Sonic Pie. Yeah. Okay, it's downloading, people. It's downloading. We're gonna close all these useless windows. Which, there we go. We're gonna see what's going on the guys' stream. The guys stream. So Jake is still figuring out how to his screen works. Oh, but the Raspberry Pi is there. So I'd say it's a normal stream, not doing much. And Prod, no, I mean Clonk is on his second. Be right back. I see. Who else is live? Neptune's Galaxy. Yeah, accept the terms. Yeah. Actually, are using files that need to be updated by this setup. Server closed and okay, NVIDIA app. Wait, what? Close the application. Okay, so this won't work for today too because I need to restart the PC for it to work. So I'm gonna do a be right back, and after we come back, it's gonna be gaming, I guess. No choice because the 2 hour stream is not enough. It's barely something. I just went back here. Freeze. Uh, be right back. Hello, we are back. The back is here. So I'm gonna disable this, like this, right? All right, we are back. Okay. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. Need to add a source window capture. This is gonna be Sonic Pi. Okay, it's gonna be Sonic Pi. Capture audio and yeah. Okay, and maybe move it be below me. I don't know. Okay. So this is the music in Ruby thing. this was shown, like I said, to me by Taimichi, and this is what we're doing from now on for the rest of the stream. And when I get sick of it, it's the end. Um, so I thought I would need. It said to me I would need to restart the PC, but it's working. So I guess it doesn't. So welcome to Sonic Pi. Well, hopefully you're as excited to get started making your own sounds as I am to show you. It's going to be a really fun ride where you'll learn a lot all about music synthesis, programming, composition, performance, and more. But wait, how rude of me. Let me introduce myself. Sam Aaron. Okay, we don't care. Yeah, this tutorial is divided up into sections grouped by category. Whilst I've written it to have an easy learning progression from start to finish, feel very free just to dip in and out of section as you see fit. If you feel that there's something missing, do let me know and I'll consider it for a future version. Finally, watching other live code is a really great way to learn. I regularly stream live at this address, so please do drop by, say hi, and ask me a lot of questions. Okay, let's get started. Live coding. One of the most exciting aspects of Sonic Pi is that it enables you to write and modify code live to make music, just like you might perform live with a guitar. This means that given some practice, you can make Sonic Pi on stage and gig with it. That's cool. Free your mind. Before we get into the real details of how Sonic Pi works in the rest of this tutorial, I'd like to give you an experience of what it's like to live code. Don't worry if you don't understand much of this, just try to hold on your seats and enjoy. Copy the following code into an empty buffer. So I guess this is the empty buffers. Now press the run button and you'll hear a nice bass drum beating away. Whoa, that's so loud. So cool. Wait, you don't, do you hear it? No, you don't. Um, do you hear it now? No. Okay. Hello, Basie. Thank you for following me. I don't know since when you were here, but we did some fixing stuff earlier on the stream, but right now I'm starting to learn this thing called Sonic Pi, and it's a thing that Taimichi showed me. It's making a synthesis of music in Ruby. So I was obviously interested since I am a Ruby enjoyer. So yeah, this is what I'm doing. We have stuff, commands and such. We have the Joel since last stream. We have the Joel pool where when if you say Joel, there's a Joel appearing on the screen. Also there's commands to interact with my models. You can see them here. And we're gonna, yeah, and right now I'm trying to enable the audio source from the Sonic Pi so you guys can listen to what's going on. So if we do application audio capture, Sonic Pi sound window, Sonic Pi. Okay, and if we go here, I don't want to capture audio. Right, and if we lower this, can you hear it? It's weird. It says you can't. So I guess this is due to the fact that I didn't restart the PC. So how do we fix this? This is where the jank comes in. We are gonna listen to the desktop audio from now on. Like this. So something of this type. Tell me if it's too loud or not loud enough. But this is a pretty loud bass. So, now press the run button and you'll hear a nice fast bass drum beating away. If at any time you wish to stop, just press stop. Instead follow these steps. Make sure the bass drum sound is still running. Change sleep to 0.5. This is already where it's at. Do something like 1. Press the run button again. Okay. See? Notice how the drum speed has changed. Yes, I noticed. Let's change it back. Finally, remember this moment. This is the first time you've live coded. Okay. Okay. This was simple though. Okay, let's stop this. Simple enough. Let's add something else into the mix. Above simple simple BD house. Add the simple the house and okay, here. Simple BD house rate 1. Above add simple amplifier rate 0.3. This is so loud. Okay. Now play around. Change the rates. Okay. Let's see what this guy. I see. I'll play around. Change the rate. What happens when you use high values or small values or negative values? Oh, negative values. I didn't suspect that. How about negative values? Oh. So this is the attack. Right. So if we do... It's the attack, but on this one, it's the rate. So I guess... 3? Okay, but it changes the sound too. So if I do -1 here and 0.5 here. I see. And if I do 1, it's going to be lower. This is so loud. I can't hear myself. Okay, try commenting one of the samples line out by yeah. Okay, so let's go back to this, actually. Okay. Notice how it tells the computer to ignore it. Yeah, so we don't hear it. This is called a comment. Yeah. Finally, let me leave you something fun to play with. Take the code below and copy it into a spare buffer. Now don't try to understand it too much other than see that there are two loops, so two things going around at the same time. Now do what you do best. Experiment and play around. Here are some suggestions. Okay. Can we change the volume on this? This is so loud. Erlang? Yeah, that must be it. God, please let me change audio. What the hell? What the hell? Okay, maybe that's the one. Yeah, that's the one. So this is better, right? Maybe like this. Tell me if it's too loud. Oh yeah, it is. The boom is intense. So okay. Let's go down to 5 amp and 0.5 rate. No. 0.8 rate. Okay. Okay, uncomment this one. Okay, loop get to dun, dun, dun. How does it do that? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, this one is cool. Whoop, whoop, whoop. This like absorbs the notes or something. So this is a git, right? A guitar, but this is a note. So if I do mix one. Okay, phase 0.5. And then 4 here. Let's go. Let's go. Like this. Oh, this is gonna be loud and loud and loud. Okay, we're gonna. I see. Now keep playing and experimenting. Boom. Okay. This was pretty good. I see. Simple. B piano. Okay. Amp. 1. Pack. 1. Eat stretch. 5. Oh, okay. I can't hear the MB piano. Maybe it's not loud enough. Yes, I hear it, I think. Ooh, we're gonna stop there. Exploring the interface. Sonic Pi has... Can we move this? Here, there we go. Sonic Pi has a very simple interface for coding music. Let's spend a little time exploring it. So, play controls, code editor, help system, cue viewer, this one, log viewer, perf panels. This must be the log because this has changed since the tutorial. Editor configs, info and help. So scope, okay, info help, perf. Oh, main file. Oh, it's right here. Editor, dark. Oh, pro dark, high contrast. No, pro dark. What's the difference between dark and pro dark? Okay, dark. Maybe it's too dark. Meh. Okay. Visuals. Dates, languages. Okay. Play button. Okay. Play button. Okay. I'm pretty sure I got this. Learning through play. Whilst Sonic Pi encourages you to learn about both computing and music through play and experimentation. The most important thing is that you're having fun, and before you know it, you'll have accidentally learned how to code. I already know how to code, thank you! Whilst we're on the subject, let me just give you one piece of advice I've learned over the years of live coding music. There are no mistakes, only opportunities. This is something, yeah, in relation to jazz. Oh my god, it's jazz. You like jazz? It might sound totally jarring or out of place. Blah blah blah. Start simple. When you're learning, it's tempting to do anything now. Or however, just hold that thought and see later. For now, instead, think of the simplest thing. Before long, yeah, okay. Synthesis. Right. Okay, enough of the intros. Let's get into some sound. Let's go. Let's get rid of those. Okay. In this section, we'll cover the basics of triggering and manipulating synths. Synths is short for synthesizers, which is a fancy word for something which creates sounds. Blah 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 blah. Your first beeps. Play 70. Wow. A sound. This is where it all starts. Go ahead, copy and paste it into the code. Okay, if I do loop do. I'm gonna start doing things. I don't know any music theory, by the way. Runtimer buffer thread def. Loop did not sleep or sync. Okay. I see. BM. I see BM. Did it crash? It didn't crash. The new Joel bot didn't crash. It didn't. Okay, nice. Nice. Okay. I see. This is good. Play 60. 50. 30. Nice. Nice, 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 nice. What is 1? Yes, sorry. Sonic Pie, it is here. You talked about it. We're doing it. I just started Taimichi. You weren't there for the first 5 minutes. Like I just did this. This is it's done. Have you actually played with it, or did you just find it and just proposed it to me? I'm curious. You've tinkered. Cool. So maybe you will be able to help me if I have problems. Yeah, not in a while. Okay, I see. Chords. Playing a note is quite fun, but playing many at the same time can be even better. Try it. Okay, let's try his chord. It sounds awful. Awful. Or is it just... No, it doesn't sound good. Jazzy. No, it's... yeah, anything can be jazzy if it's... I mean, fucking... Okay, I see. So when you multiple plays, they play all at the same time. Try it yourself. Yeah. So playing notes, chords can be fun, but how about a melody? What if you wanted to play one note after another and not at the same time? Well, that's easy. Just need to sleep between the notes. Right. If I do sleep, sleep 0.2 here, it does something like this. This seems logical. Melody, playing notes in chords is fun. Yeah, you just said that. We need shorter sleep values. What about 0.5? Yes. In between notes? Really? I see. In betweens. Notice how it plays faster. What? One thing tries, yeah. Okay, no, okay. Traditional notes names. Play C, D, E. Oh, okay. So this is English naming thing. So if I do play C3 and play T4? What the fuck? Yeah, it will sound good. I mean, it will sound like a C. I see. If you want to make a note sharp, do an S. Oh, he didn't like that. F sharp, E, B. Okay. So it's not any note. Play E, B, third. Such melody. FS3. Wow. Chords so magnificent to my ear. Now go wild. Okay, but I'm not good at music, so I'm not gonna go wild. I'm gonna wait for the loops. The loops are the fun thing. Okay, as well as allowing you to control which note to get crazy. Get crazy, go stupid. I mean, how can he go crazy with just playing one note at a time? Kind of 100 will break my ears. No, 100 isn't in the scale. Such a shame. So yeah, as well yeah, Sonic Pi provides a whole range of options to craft and control the sounds. We'll be covering many of these in this tutorial, and there's extensive documentation for each of the help system. However, for now we'll introduce two of the most useful. Amplitude, yes, I'm familiar, and Pan. Pan is the mix between the left and the right, if I remember. First, let's look at what options actually are. Sonic Pi supports the notion of options. Wait, let's pan left. No, I guess it's a float value. Yeah. So I guess it's 0 to be the center and -1 to be left. Yeah. Oh, cool. That's cool. And then I can do 1. That is cool. And amplitude. So this one can be 0.5, something like this. Yeah. Options have two major parts: their name, the name of the control, and their value. For example, you might have an option called cheese. Really? Is there cheese? No, there's not. Would be cool too. The K one. I see. Options are past calls to play by using a comma, right? This, I got this. Cheese, note that cheese isn't a valid options. We're just using, oh no, no cheese. And beans? No way. Multiple yeah, separating by a comma. Beans, cheese, eggs, and beans. There's 2 beans. Amplitude. I got this. You can crank up the amplitude higher to 2, 10, 100, however you should note that when the overall amplitude of all sounds gets too high, Sonic Pi uses what's called a compressor to scratch them. Yeah. To change the amplitude of a sound, you can use... By the way, Timeichi, if you're still here, if you wasn't there last stream, at the Joel pool, when you say Joel, there's a Joel on the screen that pops up. I just wanted to say it. Whee! And there's a water simulation stuff happening. And also, the more Joel you have in your message, the bigger the Joel at the on the screen appears. And if you want, the jolt can be as big as the screen, pretty much. The limitation is Twitch. To change the amplitude of a sound, you can use the amp. Yeah, I got that. Panning, I got that too. Switching synths. Okay. Use synth. Okay. Chip noise, let's go. Oh. Ooh, too much chip for me. Let's do a saw. Oh yeah. The saw. We like the saw. The square is good too. And maybe we can use both. Like this. Oh. Nice. Sonic Pi has a fun sound is the saw wave. Let's give it a try. Yeah. The Prophet. What the fuck is the Prophet? Oh. Oh. This one. I like the Prophet. I like the Prophet. Yeah, and you can use multiple ones. You said now multiple sound at the same time. Try not sleeping between successive calls of play. Use synth and what is like what do we have? There seems to be a lot of them. Hover, mud, pulse noise, piano, pluck, pulse prophet, rodeo. Okay, it's a cowbell. it's a cowbell. What's this one? TB trio tree. Ooh, it's like a phaser noise. Notice that the use and I wish I don't know if it's possible. I'm not there yet, but I wish I could do like my own synths, like a modular, a bit modular, like like a synth class somewhere that I can change to my will. It could be cool. FM sounds familiar. Ooh, and if we do C1. Wait, and if we do you can kind of do that in this. If you make functions per note and tailor it, maybe. Oh, yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. But it's still pre-made sounds. Like I don't like play a note. Let's say like a E4. But then you only have these. Yeah, sustain, release, decay, attack. Like we have the envelope. We get the amperage. Get a pan. Pitch. Yeah, I guess the only thing we're missing is like an LFO kind of thing. Oh no. Now play around switching synth during your music. Like, I guess, yeah, it's a good idea to put a play in a function with to make a synth, but still you're missing like the whole functionality of a real synth. But still, it's pretty cool. It's really cool, actually. Duration with envelopes. In an earlier section, we looked at how we can use sleep commands to control when to trigger our sound. However, we haven't yet been able to control the duration of our sounds. This is true. It is true. Simple yet powerful means of controlling the duration of our sound. SonicPipe provides ADSR, right? Envelope. Control over the duration of sound, amplitude of sound. Duration. Duration is the length the sound lasts for. A longer duration means that you hear the sound for longer. Therefore, by controlling the envelope, you control the duration, amplitude. The ADSR envelope not only controls duration, also gives you fine control over the amplitude of the sound. You might ask someone, start at silence, slowly move up to full volume, hold it for a bit, then quickly fall back to silence. Right. Release. The note will be audible for 1 second. Go ahead and time it. Okay, so release is the time it plays for. So 1. And 0.5 here. Right. And if I do 2, it's gonna stack them a bit. Okay, I see. The duration of the release of the sound is called release phase. Yeah, by default, linear transition. Okay, I can change it to not be linear. Is that what you're telling me? The following diagram, the vertical line is at the far left shows that the sound starts at 0 amplitude, then goes at full amplitude immediately. Once at full amplitude, yeah. You can therefore change the duration of your sound by changing the release time. Have a play adding release times to your music. By default, the attack phase is 0 for all synths, which means they move. Yeah, okay. Attack. I see. What happens if I do attack 1 too? So it's gonna make the song. So if I do 0.5, yeah, so if I do 1, it's the sound takes 2 seconds to do. Why do I hear 2 of these? Weird. Attack release. Release. Release 1, I guess, here. I see. Play 60 attack release. Right. That's cool. Sustain. Yes, sir. That's what we want. Sustain phase. In addition to specifying attack in release time, you can also specify a sustain phase. Wait, AD. What is the decay, right? Okay. Sustain. Yeah, so it, yeah. Specifying, you may also sustain time to control the sustain phase. This is for which the sound is maintained at full amplitude between the attack and release phase, right? This is what I thought. For an extra level of control, you can also specify a decay time. This is a phase of the envelope that fits between the attack and sustain phase, and specify a time where the amplitude will drop from the attack level to the decay level. Okay, so from the moment I add the decay, I add also the attack level, and the sustain level. I see. I see. Decay level. Whew. This looks complicated. This one looks good. Let's do this. Wait, so attack 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 1, 5, so it's 2 seconds. Okay. I got a bee in my ears. C4. Why is it like so gnarly or like high pitched? If I do C2. Oh. Wait. This is weird. I played Run, but the old one is still there. It's still playing. It's like stacking them. Something like this. Anyway, duration samples. Another great way to develop your music is to use pre-recorded sounds in great hip-hop track. Taimichi, if you're still here, and I had another brain pop. I did pop in something in my head. Just pop that. There's something called, you might be interested. I don't. It's called Sunvox. This is Sunvox. Do you know about Sunvox? Where is Sunvox? Is that it? Yeah. Negative. Okay, so Sunvox is it's a song recorder, but at the same time it's a tracker, like the old trackers, and at the same time you can create your own synths, which is pretty cool. And there's visualization of the waves like this. Yeah, it is pretty cool. I played with it a bit. Let's just stop this one. Like, something like this. Just jamming. The big jam. And there's also, I'm pretty sure there's a mobile version. Like the desktop version is free, obviously, right there. But it's yeah, it's also available on the App Store, but it's you have to pay on the App Store. But still, it's pretty cool. You can have this on like a tablet and just jam in like at the airport or something. But yeah, I wanted to show you this because you showed me Sonic Pi, so I have to show you something too. Uh, Sonic Pi, please. There we go. I think is very much less impressive than the Sunvox thing we just saw. Okay, triggering samples. Let's remove this. Oh, this doesn't work. Like this. Then. Okay. Sample. And then we got MB Dark Whoosh. Ooh. Ooh. The Lunar Land. Lunar Land? This is for when you make a drop. When you drop the bass, you play that. Sonic Pi includes many samples. So yeah, it's samples. I get it. So MB Soft Buzz. Okay, I see. MB Drone discovering samples. MB Bass. Oh, bass. Bass seems in my tick. We got a tick C. Ooh. Okay. Simple parameters. So sample, I don't really want to touch that much. Because you can't really control, in my opinion. Stretching samples, okay, yeah. Loop him in. Wait. Loop 3D printer? What the fuck is that? It's just a sample of a 3D printer. Okay, this is good. You have to say it. Like, it's a good sample, this one. It's a thing that can be used. Yeah, rate. Okay, I see. So if I do this and do rate 0.2. Oh no, that's some. Okay, 5. 1.5 maybe. Oh yeah, we're going fast. 0.2 maybe. Oh, we're looping. Okay, compressing, yeah, higher P. Pitched the math behind simple rate. Yes, I got it. Waveform. Oh, we can represent this with new simple duration. The duration of the sample is affected by the playback rate. Doubling the playback rate halves the playback time. Halving the playback rate doubles the playback time. Using a playback rate of 1/4 quadruples the playback time. Using a playback of 1. Okay. If you take a waveform and squash it, it will move up and down. Okay, can we get the sample duration? Is it a possible thing? The sample duration? But I need the sample duration, like the basic one, which I don't have. Anyway, enveloping samples, Daemon envelopes. Okay, let's try this. Okay. Like this, maybe? Let's not try this again. Attack. Auto-sustain. Where the DSR envelope behavior differs from the standard synth envelope is the sustain value. The sustain default is 0 unless you set it manually. Okay. Fade out. Simple duration. Oh, okay. So print simple duration loop amen. Okay, and it prints over here. So here, stretching samples, and we got a formula here. So if we do amen duration is equal to simple duration loop amen, and then we go fucking hell. Rate is equal to 1.5, and then we say new simple new amen duration is equal to 1 divided by rate multiplied by amen duration. So here it's rate, and here it's new amen duration. No, this is, it's what is it? It's rate. Oh yeah, I got it. Right, okay. I got it. This one I got it. Nice, 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 nice. Partial. What do you mean partial? Finish. Ooh, I see. can get only parts of the sample. So it's, can you upload your own sample? I get it. So you can technically like have your own synth. So like you just go on the internet, get synth sounds, and I guess you can pitch them, right? Sample packs. Sorry. Indexing sample packs, filtering sample packs, sources. Okay. We're not gonna get into that right now. Randomization. Let's do here. Loop. Do. Sleep. And then let's do one and end. What's wrong here? Oh, I see. We got random. Nice. Yeah. Min max, short range random. Let's play random node. Yeah. Of course, in a given piece of music, it's randomly shows every time. It wouldn't be. Try the following. Yeah, I just did this. A lovely illustration of randomization in action is the Haunted Bells example. Let's try this. Yeah, it's bells. It's bells. Another fun example of randomization is to modify the cutoff of a synth randomly. It is pretty fun. Random seeds. So what if you don't like the particular sequence of random numbers Sonic Pi provides? We'll study. Okay, so it's right. You can do 5 times. Oh, it's Ruby. I forgot. Every time you run this code, you'll hear the same sequence of 5 notes. To get a different sequence, simply change the seed. Let's try this. He was right. Oh my god. A very common thing to do is to choose an item randomly from a list of known items. For example, I may want to play a one note from the following. I can achieve this with choose, which let me choose an item from a list. First, I need to put my number in the list, which is done by wrapping them in square brackets, yeah? Okay, so it's random, but within, like, my choices. I see. Rand, okay, rand I, so it's integers, rand, return a random field between 0 and 1? No. Exclusive. By default, it will return, yeah, between 0 and 1, okay. I can do something like this. I see. Dice. Sometimes you want to emulate the dice throw. Okay, I guess. This is special case of rand id where the lower value is always 1. A call to dice requires you to specify the number of sides of the dice. Dice 6. Okay, I get it. 1 in. Finally, you may wish to emulate throwing the top score of a dice, such as 6 in a start and dice 1 in, therefore returns true with a probability of 1 if in the number of sides of the... Okay, I get it. I think I get it. Programming structures. Now that you've learned the basic of creating sounds with play and simple, and creating simple melodies and rhythm with sleeping between sounds, you might be wondering what else the world of code can offer you. Well, you're in for an exciting treat. Okay, blocks. Yeah, do and. Wow. Play, simple. Repetition. 3 times, yeah, 4 times. That's just Ruby. Loop, yeah, conditionals. If, simple one, yeah. If, else, loop, do, yeah, I got this. Threads, oh. Oh. Infinite loops. You'll have to imagine that... once you enter the loop, you can never exit until... Yeah. Threads to the rescue. In threads, do, loop, do. Okay. I see. So I can have 2 loops. Kinda. Yeah, okay, I get it. The loop, but by in thread do end block. What? We tell SonicPy to run the contents of the do end block at exactly the same time as the next statement, after the do end block, which appends to the second loop. What the hell? In thread, drum heavy kick, FM. Yeah, just do in thread 2 times. Okay, and if I do like this. Yeah, so drum FM. So play 40, loop 2, sleep 05. So I don't get it. They wait for each other? Is that it? I mean, it says here by wrapping the first loop in an in-thread like this, do end block, we tell SonicPy do end. I guess this is a loop here. We tell SonicPy to run the contents of the do end block at exactly the same time as the next statement after the do end block, which happens to be the second loop, this one. Right, this does nothing. And yeah, they stay in time, but okay, so if I do in red, do, if I do this, and I do this, and I copy it here, like this. Like now it's not synced. Now it is. Oh, wait. Yeah, it is synced. Okay, so everything is synced. Even if the sleep is longer on this one. Or not. Okay, if I do one here. I see. Okay. Clunk's heartbeat would be like something about this. And it crashed. It crashed. Can't keep up. Something like this. But even more. Try multiplying this by 10. What may surprise you is that when you press the run button, you're actually creating a new thread for the code to run. This is why pressing it multiple times will layer sounds over each other. As the run themselves are threads, they will automatically weave the sound together for you. Meh. As you learn how to master Sonic Pi, you'll learn that threads are most important building block for your music. So, well, when you switch using synth, use actually just switching the synth as the current thread. Okay. Inheritance. When you create a new thread with inthread, the new thread will automatically inherit all of the current settings from the current thread. Let's see. Okay, I get. Naming threads. Why? Look at the log. Okay. So it's for logs. Can name threads for logs. Only one thread per name allowed. Makes sense. Go ahead and paste that into a frame thread. Press the run button. Loop amen. Press it a couple times. Listen to the cafeteria for Drakes. Okay, you can press that now. This is the behavior we've seen again and again. If you press the run button, sounds like you're on top. Okay, therefore, okay. So, okay, I got it. If I do name, test, like this, and I do run, it will work. But if I do run again, it still works. Maybe it doesn't work and I just don't get the error. Try pressing your run button. You'll only ever... Okay, I see. Okay, I see. So if I name my threads and I restart the run, when I restart, it doesn't lay another like duplicate on top of it, it just replaces it. Or no, it just doesn't change it. So this is pretty cool. It could be cool. I don't know. Function define foo. Foo? Foo. Yeah, just foo, do, and play and. You might be interested in knowing that just like you can pass min-max values to Rn, you can teach your function to accept argument. Let's take a look. Define, do, and. Play and. Okay. This is not how you do it in Ruby. Hmm. Functions are remembered across runs. So far, every time you've pressed the run button, SonicPy has started. It knows nothing except for what it uh, is in the buffer. You can't reference code in another buffer. However, function changed that. When you define a function, SonicPy remembers it. Let's try it. Out the code in your buffer and replace it with foo. No, I won't, because I didn't implement foo. Foo doesn't exist. Yeah, do chord, roots, repeats. Do root, chords, root, minor. Let's play this one. This one seems good. This is cool. Can we? Yeah. Okay. Sleep. 0. Okay, maybe not this fast. Ooh, yeah. But I like this. Minor. Play chord. Play chord. Root. So this are all pre-made chords. 9 sus4? No way. Major. Sussy Becker. Release 0.3. Sus2. Let's try Sus2. Okay, I see. So this chord thing is pretty cool. Because I don't know how to, I don't have to know my chords to do the chords. Which is pretty cool, Variables, this is pretty simple, I'd say. Here's, we've remembered the symbol loop amen and the variable simple name. We can use everywhere you might, yeah, for example, yeah. Yeah, managing repetition. Often, yeah. Capturing results. Finally, a good motivation for using variables is to capture the results of things. For example, you may wish to do things. Okay. You may wish to wait. You may wish to do things with the duration of this of a sample. Simple duration, yeah. Perhaps more pointedly, a variable shows allows us to capture the results of a call to play or sample. Now we have caught and remembered s as a variable, which allows us to control the synth as it's running. Okay. Does this means each time we call play or sample, it creates a synth which can be controlled live? This is pretty cool. But also I don't know if it's efficient. Variables and string. Whilst variables are great for giving names and capturing results of things, it is important to know what they should typically only be used locally within a thread. For example, don't do this. A ring. Okay. A sorted A shuffle. We assign a ring of numbers to a variable A, then use it within two separate live loops. Uh, in the first live loop, every 0.5 seconds, we sort the ring and then print out the like. If you run the code, you'll find the printed list is not always sorted. Yeah, I would guess so. There's two solutions. First, you don't use, yeah. Thread synchronization. Ooh, we just did that, right? Q-tick. Oh my god. We can synchronize threads. Sorry. Q names. Okay, I see. I'm pretty sure Q sync, yeah. I've done this in one of my classes, but it wasn't with threads, I think. It was with forks. But yeah, syncing. Um I think I'm gonna end it there because I'm tired. I woke up at 8. It is now midnight. And also this is gonna take a long time. So maybe we do this manual in multiple sessions kind of thing. No, I don't want to save. So we will close this. Thank you for coming in, Taimichi. Thank you. Thank you for everyone who came here. Um okay, yeah, so I will probably stream again next Friday. Um what else to say? I will try to have something planned for next week. so we have actually a plan. Maybe it will end up just being doing homework or something. We never know. Other than that, thank you for everyone who followed. And also, we're gonna check if we can raid someone. The raiding. So let's look at this. We got. So I don't know if we're gonna raid. What are we gonna raid? Let's raid Basie. If he allows us to. We never know. Some people don't allow us. Let's create Basie. There we go. So yeah, thank you for coming, everyone. Thank you for sending messages and interacting with me. It's always more entertaining. I like that. We are currently raiding Basie. You can raid with Joel or this guy's Dom or whatever you want. And yeah, thank you for coming again. Bye.